Hello, little stars. Welcome to Chimukli Rutu. Clap, jump, shout, yay-ay-y. Let's giggle, learn, and play.
Come along, let's start the fun. Pick your pen, we trace number one. Trace number one. Slide down straight, just like the sun. Easy peasy, that is one. Curve and slide, now we do two. Like a swan saying hello to you. Round and round, then half a tree. Let's go trace the number three. Down and across, then one more line. Number four looks so fine. Top and curve, then down we dive. Give a high five for number five. Hey! Curve and loop, now we mix. Magic drawing number six. Across and down, then slant to heaven. Zoom, let's draw number seven. Zoom, let's draw number seven. Two big loops, now we skate. Spin around for number eight. Circle first, then down the line. Let's all shout, it's number nine. It's number nine. 1 and 0, now we're 10. Trace together again and again. We're tracing again and again. We learn numbers 1 to 10. Let's trace them all again, my friend.
Yay, you did it, little stars. So much fun today. Like, subscribe to Chimukli Rutu. More magic is coming soon. Bye-bye, see you soon.